Ready to dive into the world of Hulu but not sure how to activate your device on your computer? No worries. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of logging into Hulu and activating your device so you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and type Hulu login into the Google search engine. Click on the website that appears at the top of the search results. In the open screen, enter your registered email address in the first field, then move to the next field and enter your password. After that, click on the Log In button. If you forget your password or email address, don't worry. Click here to access your information. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Hulu tutorials and streaming tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching and happy streaming with Hulu!